Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys, this is the final video about the Shopify tutorial I've been doing for the past 3 days. So today I'm going to explain the full depth and everything. I have successfully designed this store to a perfect shape, or just to explain to you guys how everything works. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, please do check it out. And as you can look straight to my screen, I'm on my Shopify customizing dashboard here. So before I dive right into today's tutorial, guys, I need your assistance by subscribing to my channel, click on the notification bell, like this video, and comment in the comment section below your store link when you are done designing your store. I'll be very happy to congratulate you on designing a very attractive store. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to scroll up now, beginning of this store, which I already explained in my previous video. Please, if you haven't checked it out, this is this part C of the Shopify class tutorial. So please do check out the previous one, starting from class part A, in order for you to understand everything I'm going to explain in this video. In this first section, I covered it in part A. This section I covered it in part A, and in this section I covered this section in part B. So in part B, I added so many products in just one collection. So me clicking on this collection now, it's going to show up, at least I think, okay, as you can see guys, it's going to show up different products here. And as well as it shows up these different products, I dropship this product from CJ Dropshipping, which is CJ, right? CJ here, CJ Dropshipping. So I dropship this product on CJ here. I explained everything in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please do check it out to understand what I'm doing at part. So let me click on this product for you to see how it's going to appear exactly to whoever click it and they want to buy the product immediately. This is how it's going to show to them, and you don't need to worry about the product again, the product shape, the color, the size, everything is given just by you integrating your Shopify store. As you can see, a description of the product, everything is here. You need to stress yourself on writing description and a lot of things, even product image, everything is provided by CJ Dropshipping once you use it to dropship your product to your store. So guys, let me continue now, and I'm going to go back to the previous section I was before. I'm going to go back down. So guys, the secret about adding so many products in one collection is when you go to CJ, to, for example, I want to list this product, and this product is under cart. I'm going to use the same, once I click on list right now, once I click on this list, I'll use the same collection that I used for every other product. As you can see guys, this is children's wear. So everything I added under children's wear are going to be in just this children's wear collection only. And in this, for example, right now, I already listed this product. But if I want to list the product now, I just want to use it as an illustration. I click on this drop down. You're going to drop down unisex cap. But if you don't click on add new and type unisex cap, it won't bring up that option. So whatever your collection is, click on add new, type the collection name here, and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it automatically save on this system right here. Then you'll be able to click on this and you'll be able to see the drop down. As you can see, I click on unisex cap, and this one, the same drop down up here, as you can see guys, unisex cap. Then the next thing for me to do now is check the product pricing. After checking the product pricing, which I actually explained in my previous video, for example, this product now is just $9.36 after with shipping and product fee and everything. This is the price. So for example, right now I'm going to use the currency of the country I am right now. So I'm going to put 2,000 of the currency here in this section right here. So once I click on this, I click on OK. Once I click on OK now, as you can see guys, the total product is going to cost $23.05 on my store. As you can see guys, So my estimated gain is about, as you can see, my estimated gain is about $9. Okay, this is the suggested gain from CJ. So my estimated gain is going to be more than $12. Sorry. So after that, I'm going to click on this section. I'm going to scroll down to see more of the product. Then my shipping method that I normally use, as you can see, the current one, CJ package liquid line, is going to take 20 to 60 days, and we don't want to delay in order for you to get more orders on your website, on your store, on your Shopify store. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the best shipping I use on CJ for all my clients. I always use CJ Express FedEx. Once I click on CJ Express FedEx, either this price increase, it does not increase, you will see a decrease here, which is 7 days to 12 days. As you can see, guys, don't make this mistake. So once you do this, you're going to click on list now, and it's going to automatically list on I already listed it, so it won't list this product anymore. But if it's listing it, I'm fine with that. So okay, yes, it's going to list it. I haven't listed this product yet. So once it lists this product right now, you're going to see successfully listed your product. Then you have to go back to your website, refresh the page, and you'll see the product appearing there. So right now I'm listing this product in this video just for you guys that have not checked my previous video, and I want you to list the product successfully here. As you can see, listed successfully. I'm going back to my Shopify store now. I'm going to click on Unisex card. Remember, this is where I added the product under this collection. I'm going to click on Unisex card now, and I'm going to show you the exact product I listed right now from CJ. The exact product, which is, okay, let's go back and see the product to confirm it is the product. As you can see, guys, this is the product, right? And the name of the product is advertising cap. So guys, this is the product right here. As you can see, this is the product right here. Once I click on this product right now, all the options for this will be shown to me before I publish my store. As you can see, the product description is here, product information, color, different sample of the product, and everything is going to be handled by CJ. So you literally have to worry about anything when you're done listing your product on your store. So I want to click on home now to take me back to the home page. Then I want to explain the next section. You guys get this section of listing products in collection. Then this section I already covered it in my first video. Do check it out to understand how to do this. Once I click on this, I'm going to see the option. Once I click on this section now, I'm going to see the option of adding this header. And after adding this header, I'm going to see the option of adding this call to action, which is here, guys. As you can see, this option right here is showing by the right hand side this time, not by the left hand side, because I minimize this page. So as you can see, guys, menswear, once I edit anything here, it's going to change automatically here. So I'm returning it back now. So immediately I return it back now, I don't need to save it again because nothing changed there. So the next thing is I want to add a little content here. I'm going to write G. Then if I want to add a content under menswear, that is where it. Let me just write G. I just want to show you how everything works. Once you add any content you add here is a subtext. So once you add any subtext here, it's going to show under this header of menswear. So right now I'm going to remove everything there. The call to action I'm using in my own store is going to be order now, and as you can see, the option of adding the banner here is there. Just click on it, then add the image from your system. So the next thing right now is actually this section for kids. So for kids, I brought this for kids product from these children. When I clicked on, I will explain it now, don't worry guys. Once I click on this section right here, when I click on this section right here, the thing I just did is I click on the section, I click on this I click on collection children's wear. So the collection children's wear brought out all the children's wear under for kids. I hope you understand the point right now, guys. Good. So I'm going to explain this footer menu, main menu, and save up and save. I'm going to explain shortly because I added my store logo down here and my social media here. So I'm going to click on home now to go back to the first page and explain everything again from where I stopped. So guys, I stopped here. Following me, very good. I'm happy you are following me. So I stopped here shortly. So right now I'm going to proceed down to the next section, which I already explained this exactly few seconds ago. If you're paying attention, good. So this option right here for women, I actually brought it from women's wear. I selected the same collection, just the same way I did this. I selected the same collection to appear this product in for women. So thereafter, the next thing is special for you. That's the last section. I'm actually removing this section, but I just leave it there because I felt like I should just add that there, just to to increase the size of the store and to make it more eye-catching a little bit. Although the banners I use aren't that fine enough, but I will edit them before I like this store. So guys, the last section now is special for you. I actually picked the same collection I used for unisex cap. So I use the same collection, so the same product is displayed here as well. And the next thing now is the last but not the least is this section right here with the footer menu. This menu, as you can see, when I click on it, as you can see something right here by this side of this. When I scroll down, as you can see, when I scroll this down, I'll see this option, footer. This footer is where I'll edit something now. Once you logo and social, once you click on logo and social, you will be allowed to add your store logo here, which I already did. So the next thing is, how do I add all the social media? How do I add all the social media account? I click on, after you see this option right here, guys, click on this drop down. Once you click on this drop down, wait for a while. Okay, sorry guys. Once you click on this footer, then scroll down. Once you see this drop down, click on it. After you click on this drop down, okay, I don't know what's going on right now, but it should display some things I want it to display. Okay, after this, I'll click on this drop down. Thereby, it will show me some social media accounts. Okay, I'm coming guys, I will freeze frame now. Okay, so guys, there's nothing that is wrong actually. I minimized this screen, that's why it's displaying by the right hand side. I'm sorry for not picking up that quickly. Now I picked it up. So the next thing I have to do is to click on team settings. So team settings, you will see all the social media options right here guys. So once you click on these social media options, go to your social media account like YouTube. I copied my YouTube link right here. I copied, then I pasted it right in the YouTube option, and automatically the button will be activated in my store. And the next thing to do is to save. After clicking on save, every payment method you had in your store backend, I click on show payment icon. All the payment icon will be displayed here, and probably in my next video I'm going to explain to you guys how to link payment method to your Shopify store. And if you haven't get how everything works in this video, please do check out my first video about everything I'm doing right now in order for you to understand it. As you can see, all these buttons are activated. If I click on contact, you will see the contact page well edited, and as you can see, everything here is good. And the next thing is, if you want to search for my store, you click on search and to bring up the search bar. So guys, this is how everything works. This is a preview of everything. We designed the Shopify store successfully in this video and starting from my previous video. And happy new month to you guys. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate everything. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for liking this video. Thank you very much for subscribing and turning on the notification bell to stay connected with me in order for you to get notified every time I publish my new video. And stay blessed. So guys, see you soon. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe